Dear friends, Empress KHONKAEN again. I just want to show you, this is the first flight for this blue and gold macaw. The owners is a little bit afraid of let it go, but anyway, she's trying to. There's an expert at the back. That expert is trying to convince the owner that she will come back. But anyway, let's see how it works. Now, this is its first flight. So, that owner, a European, I think, is trying to make sure that the macaw is now familiar with the whistles. See, now, let's see whether it's going or not. Now, seems the bird is listening to the sounds of the whistles. Anyway, she's a little bit afraid, I think. This lady is also another expert. Okay, now she's trying to let it go, but it's not. Anyway, maybe she's a little bit afraid of her first flight. Now she goes, let it go, let it go, let it go. Ah, she drops. That's fine. Okay, that's it. That's the first flight. Back to you again sometime. Thanks for watching.